Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a nice fish. So for this purpose, let's start the drawing from the top part of the body. First, you can see that I'm drawing a half circle shape like this. Then we're going to draw another half circle. It looks like the mirror with the previous one. Then you can draw the line up to this one. Then put a straight line like this and another straight line like this. Then for the eyes, so to draw the eye, we put a circle like this one. And the tail, it's like a little curvy line. You can see that it's like a organic shape and curvy line, and sometimes it looks like the tree leaves of the trees. So it's like this one. For the top part, you can put the harder the body part like this, put few lines to emphasize the drawing. And for the bottom, you can draw another part like this, and also you can draw few lines to define the body with the front face. So the head is like a straight line, so we draw a curved line here. The head is simple, and the body, it has some scales like this. So we can draw few smaller half circle like this and do the scales, and few lines like this for the tails, as you can see. So for the breathing purpose of the fish, you can see some bubbles which is just moving upwards. All right, so this is a nicely done and very artistic shape of a fish. Now we can put the shades for the good outlines. So the body, you can see that the scales, these are nice. Let's put a uniform color for the whole body. And we put the shades for each of the scales to do the each segment or the unit. Same types of drawing, we put the shades for each of the scales, as you can see. Okay, for the tails here, you can see that we're going to put a little darker and deeper shades along with the border lines. And also for the top part, we're also putting the deeper and darker line with the border lines. Now we're going to put the uniform colors for the all tails, but you see the previous two lines, we're going to emphasize it and putting a harder strokes to define the body nicely. All right, for the top part, let's put dark strokes along the border line and the light strokes inside. The straight lines are to be emphasized. Same thing goes for the below one or the bottom one. So the harder strokes and the dark strokes to the border. All right, the eyes, this is going to be black, and the very light shades for the all over the face. This is a plain surface, so the shades is going to be the plain. All right, no contour at all, but as you know, it looks like a sorry, it looks like a 2D. We can put the shades and make a depth to show the drawings. as you can looks like a 3D. Now let's draw along these border lines. Let's put few dark black strokes or the dark strokes for the back of the fish. Okay, so these are the bubbles. Now one last thing you can do, that if you want to show that the fish is in the water, then you need to draw or the color a blue lines or the blue drawings to show the water which is just all around the fish. Actually the fish is swimming inside the water, so that's why we're going to put blue color to all the sides of the fish. Okay, as you know, for doing the details you need to put the more times in which way you want to like the fish and its appearance. So as you know that the drawing is going to finished by this time. Okay, so this is the drawing of a fish. I hope you like the video. If you like, please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on so that you doesn't miss any updates. And thanks for watching. Have a good day.